Okay, here we are replacing dimmer switch on the floorboard of a 1976 GMC Jimmy. Removed the side panel here where the speaker was. It just had 4 screws. Dimmer switch under the carpet. Nice insulation. Looks like 2 screws, a couple wires. I'll unscrew that and I'll continue recording. Okay, screws are out. Dimmer switch is set on a little plastic thingy, and it looks like somebody's wired the hell out of the connection. So I'll unravel that and see where to go from there. So I took off all the tape that was wrapped around solidly around these connectors, and they appear to be in good condition. Head down to the auto parts store and get a new switch. See if we can get this fixed.